Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm sharing with you a delicious, super easy, and healthy lunch idea, eggplant burgers, served with turmeric rice and a fresh salad. An incredible combination that you're sure to love. Stay with me and discover how to make this dish that will transform your lunches. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. We'll begin by making the eggplant burgers. We'll use 2 to 3 eggplants. Wash them well and peel off the skin. Cut them into slices and then into small cubes. Add them to a pan with a splash of water and cook over medium-low heat until they soften. Cover with a lid and stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Did you know that eggplants are a great source of fiber? They are great for digestion, packed with antioxidants, and serve as an excellent meat and sausage substitute. Meanwhile, let's prepare a delicious and nutritious rice. We'll chop up some carrots and corn. Now, heat a pot or rice cooker. Add a splash of oil, followed by the carrots and corn. Let them brown and keep stirring to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. This step brings out all the flavors, making the rice even tastier. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, or 2 tablespoons if you want a stronger flavor. This will give the rice a unique and pleasant taste. Stir with a spatula and add a pinch of pepper. If you need more oil, feel free to add a little more and keep mixing. Rice is a great source of energy because of its carbohydrates. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that boosts brain health and supports the immune system. It pairs really well with pepper, as piperine, a compound found in pepper, helps enhance the absorption of curcumin from turmeric, boosting its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Plus, the carrots are high in beta-carotene, which helps with our health and skin. Once everything is nicely browned, add 2 cups of your preferred rice, whether white or brown. I'm using 2 cups of rice. Rinse it thoroughly and add it to the pot. Use the spatula to mix in all the flavors that have developed. Let the rice brown a little. Check on the eggplants, stir them, and let them cook for a few more minutes. Now, add 2 cups of cold water, a pinch of pink salt, mix everything together, and cover the pot. It should be ready in about 20 minutes. Once the eggplants reach this color, it's time to drain them and remove any excess water. Set them aside in a bowl and chop an onion. In the same pan, add the onion, a pinch of salt, pepper, and cumin. Stir everything together, and once it's done, add some oregano. This combination gives an amazing flavor to the eggplant burgers, highly recommended. Next, let's prepare the salad. I think cucumber and avocado make the perfect combination, crunchy and creamy. We've got the cucumber ready, and we'll save the avocado for last. This salad is super refreshing. Cucumber is very hydrating due to its high water content and low calories, while avocado is rich in healthy fats that benefit the heart. Combined with the vitamin C from the lemon, it's a perfect match. Now, add oats to your burger mixture. This will help everything bind together and prevent it from falling apart. You can also add flax seeds or activated chia seeds, previously soaked and blended, as an egg substitute. Let the mixture cool, and then refrigerate it for a few minutes to help it firm up. Check the consistency. It should be just right. In a hot pan, test a little bit of the mixture to check the seasoning and oregano. Cook over medium heat and check on the rice. It's ready, with a beautiful color and an amazing aroma. For the salad, add pink salt and lemon juice, mix everything together, and top it with the avocado. It's time to serve. Add the rice, 2 eggplant burgers, and the fresh cucumber avocado salad. And there you have it. This is one of my favorite lunches, and I'm sure it will become one of yours too. Make it at home and surprise everyone. This is a natural, healthy, and meat-free meal. It's light, delicious, and provides sustained energy for the entire day. Another great option for your healthy lunches. This is Nutri-Intelligence. See you next time. Here are some videos you might like.